The bird was very happy and started digging the ground and putting seeds into the hole and then piling it up. All the seeds was planted near his own house.
Burung sangat senang dan mulai menggali tanah dan meletakkan biji-bijian ke dalam lubang lalu menimbunnya. Semua biji-bijian itu ditanam di dekat rumahnya sendiri.
Every day the bird watered the plants. He did it all alone. When a seed didn't grow, the bird immediately replaced it with a new seed.
Setiap hari si burung menyiram tanamannya, semua dia kerjakan sendirian. Ketika ada biji yang tidak tumbuh, maka si burung segera mengganti dengan biji yang baru.
It had been months since the corn finally produced its fruit. The bird was very happy. He hugged the corn because he was very grateful. The bird immediately ate the first fruit of the corn and it tasted very delicious.
Sudah berbulan-bulan